Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to lock WhatsApp app on iPhone with password or Face ID. So right now I will show you two different methods to lock WhatsApp app. In first method, we will lock our WhatsApp app using WhatsApp app. First of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your app store and search for WhatsApp, and if you see any update available, first of all update your WhatsApp app. Then go to your WhatsApp and tap on settings, tap on privacy, and here scroll down and you will find here app lock option. So all you have to need, tap on app lock, and here we can see require Face ID. When it's turned on, you will need to use your Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. So all you have to need, just enable require Face ID option, and here select immediately. And now I'm going to closing my WhatsApp app, and now let's reopen my WhatsApp app, and as you can see my WhatsApp app is locked. Now to unlock, you have to verify your Face ID, or to use passcode, just tap on try Face ID again, tap on enter passcode, and then you have to enter here your iPhone passcode to unlock WhatsApp app. So this was the first option to lock WhatsApp app on iPhone. And now let's see the second option. In second option, we will use the shortcut app. So go to your shortcut app and go to automation, create new automation, and here scroll down, select app, tap on choose app, and here search for WhatsApp, select WhatsApp app and tap on done. Now select ease opened and select run immediately, and disable notify when run option and just tap on next. Tap on new blank automation, and here tap on add action. In this search action box, type here lock and select lock screen. Now just tap on done, and I've successfully locked my WhatsApp app. Now I'm going to opening my WhatsApp, and whenever I try to open WhatsApp app, my screen locked automatically. Now to use my WhatsApp app, I have to verify my iPhone password or Face ID. So this is how we can lock WhatsApp app on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.